Hello everyone. Today we are at one of the oldest streets in Tehran. It's called Si Tir, and it has lots of delicious sandwiches in Tehran. Today we are going to one famous sandwich which is the oldest Armenian sandwich in Tehran. I heard that this Armenian sandwich is the most delicious sandwich you can eat in Tehran, and now we are here to try it. So let's see what is waiting for us. نگاه می‌کنم. I'm very excited. We are about to have lunch here because it looks really delicious. So we ordered, I think, a mixed sandwich in a small size and a Japanese cocktail sandwich in this size. And I want to tell you about the prices. This is about 220 tomans, which in your currency I think it's about $4. And this one is much cheaper, and it was about $1.50, and it was really delicious. And after eating sandwich, I accidentally find a museum that is a really hidden gem in Tehran. It's Abgineh Museum, and it's really beautiful. Let's see inside the museum. After lunch, I stumbled upon the Abgineh Museum completely by accident while walking down this street. Honestly, I hadn't even heard of it before because it turned out to be one of the most beautiful and underrated places I have ever visited in Tehran. The museum is inside this charming old building with wooden stairs that give it such a cozy, peaceful vibe. It's filled with gorgeous pottery and glasswork, like colorful dishes and ancient ceramics, that tell so many stories from Iran history. These are some necklaces made of glasses. It's really interesting. Did you find out that these are made of glasses? The ticket is super affordable, only 20 tomans for Iranians and 100 tomans for foreign tourists. You can visit it every day except Mondays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's located in a beautiful old building with a peaceful vibe, so it's a great place to take a break from the busy city. If you're into history or just curious about ancient art, this museum is definitely worth a visit. These are oil lamps. What surprised me the most was how empty it was. There were almost no visitors. It felt like I had the entire place to myself. Honestly, I don't know why more people don't talk about this museum. It's such a hidden gem in Tehran, and the atmosphere is so calm and peaceful. The wooden stairs, the beautiful old architecture, and all those colorful dishes and glass pieces make it such a unique experience. If you're someone who loves exploring quiet, unexpected places, this museum is perfect for you. I really enjoyed my visit, and I think it's one of those spots in Tehran that deserves more attention. I don't know why exactly this museum is so underrated, and I haven't heard about this museum before, and I didn't even read anything about this museum in TripAdvisor or any other special sites that introduces Persian culture and interesting places to visit. I accidentally found it on Google Map. The doors here are really cool. They are made of wood and in special shapes. And I have the feeling that I enter a church or something. And you can see tiny little dishes here in every cell of this big architecture.
So here is the fun part. I wasn't even planning to visit this museum. I was just walking down on the Si Tir Street, exploring this area, and I noticed this beautiful old building that caught my eye. I decided to check it out, and that's how I found the Abgineh Museum. It was such a random discovery, but honestly, those are the best kinds of experience, right? When you find something completely unexpected and it turns out to be amazing.
Maybe some of these dishes are made of shell, probably. So these plates, these are shrimp. And this is called shell hall. And I think some of these dishes are made of shell, probably. Look at the beautiful paintings on these plates. These are traditional Persian designs on these places.
That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me to explore this hidden gem in Tehran. If you're ever in the city, I really recommend giving this Abgineh Museum a visit. It's such a peaceful and underrated spot. And don't forget to let me know in the comments if you have ever had a random discovery like this while traveling. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!